This is what 82 looks like. This is what 82 can be. I mean, that's kind of my message. That's what I want women to know. It's not over.
Donna Mills is widely recognized as one of the most charming actresses of her generation. At 83, she continues to radiate a youthful glow and vitality that's truly inspiring. In this video, we will reveal how this ageless icon maintains her health and joy, even while managing arthritis, by following a few daily habits. Make sure you watch until the end, as we give you practical tips on how to incorporate these habits into your own life. Born Donna Jean Miller in 1940 in Chicago, Illinois, Donna has mesmerized audiences worldwide with her performances, and she's best known for her role as Abby Cunningham on the primetime soap opera Knots Landing, which earned her critical acclaim and several awards. Beyond the Hollywood glamour, Donna's journey is marked by resilience. In a recent interview, she revealed the toll arthritis took on her health. Despite the pain, Donna didn't let it stop her. She once said, "You just have to get past that and say, I'm going to do it anyway." Donna is remarkably adept at keeping her private life away from the spotlight. Despite her fame, not everyone can easily recall the name of her partner, Larry, even though they've shared many years together. Larry entered Donna's life during a challenging period and played a key role in her healing process, offering solace and support. Together, they've nurtured a family, including their adopted daughter, Chloe. Despite the pain of arthritis, Donna eloquently acknowledges that it remains an integral part of her journey. She emphasizes that while one can move forward, the pain lingers in the recesses of the mind. She said, "My message is, keep moving. If you do, you'll keep arthritis at bay." Despite managing arthritis and being in the golden years of her life, Donna still exudes glow and elegance and has maintained her health much better than most people of her age. How did she do it? Here are her 5 daily habits that have helped her maintain her health. During her years on soap operas, Donna was very particular about her diet. She avoided pasta, sugar, bread, ice cream, cookies, and similar foods. Instead, her plate was filled with proteins and vegetables, keeping her energized and in great shape. Today, while she's not as strict with her diet, she still emphasizes clean eating. She's not a vegetarian, but she grows, picks, and eats a lot of vegetables, thanks to the bounty of her home garden. In her own words, during the soap opera years, I never ate pasta, sugar, bread, ice cream, cookies, or any of that kind of stuff. I would have maybe half a glass of wine. Now I eat, but I'm still careful. I'm not a vegetarian, but I grow, pick, and eat a lot of vegetables. Research has shown that a diet rich in vegetables can lower blood pressure, reduce the risk of heart disease and stroke, prevent some types of cancer, lower the risk of eye and digestive problems, and have a positive effect on blood sugar. Donna's green and clean eating habit not only ensures she gets the freshest ingredients, but also allows her to reap these health benefits. If you want to incorporate this habit, start by adding more vegetables to your meals. You can do this by including a salad with your lunch or dinner. If you have space, consider starting a small vegetable garden at home. Even a few pots of herbs can make a difference. Moving on, Donna is known for her active social life. She's like a social butterfly, always fluttering from one event to another, spreading joy and positivity wherever she goes. Donna believes in the power of social engagement and the positive impact it can have on one's mental and emotional well-being. You'll often spot her at various events, from charity fundraisers and award shows to casual gatherings with friends and family. She's also equally active in her local community, participating in various activities. She believes that staying connected with her community keeps her grounded and gives her a sense of belonging. One project that holds a special place in her heart is a film titled Social Engagement, where she worked alongside Stephen Nichols. The film, a smart and funny piece, directed by Dylan Vox and written by Scotty Mullen, was a project Donna was thrilled to be a part of. Interestingly, they changed the title to A Beauty and the Beast Christmas. Studies suggest that staying socially active can improve your mental health and longevity. It can also lower the risk of dementia and improve your physical health. Donna's active social life keeps her mentally stimulated and emotionally fulfilled. If you want to incorporate this habit, try to stay connected with your friends and family. Make it a point to call or meet them regularly. Participate in community activities or join a club to meet new people. Next up, during a recent appearance on CBS's Sunday Mornings, Donna shared the secret behind her youthful appearance and vitality. It's the magic of mindset. Donna believes that age is just a number and it doesn't define what you can or cannot do. She shared, "This is what 82 looks like. This is what 82 can be." I mean, that's kind of my message. That's what I want women to know. It's not over. You know? It doesn't have to be. She further added, "I want to still contribute. If I'm going to be here, I want to do something with it. At age 60, 70 later, you have so much more to contribute. Don't just sit down and say, 'I'm done.'" This shows her determination to make the most of her life and contribute positively to the world. Donna concluded by saying, "The hard part is that you know it's the last chapter, and I don't want to go away. So I'm hanging on as long as I can and trying to be as much as I can be for as long as I can be." A positive mindset, like Donna's, can do wonders for your health. It can boost your mood, reduce the risk of developing heart disease, lower stress, and lengthen your lifespan. Donna's positive mindset helps her stay motivated and overcome the challenges she faces. To incorporate this habit, start your day with a positive affirmation. It could be something simple like, "Today is going to be a great day." Practice mindfulness by taking a few minutes each day to focus on your breathing and clear your mind. Moving on, despite Donna's busy schedule, she makes time for her fitness. She's often quoted saying, "You have to keep moving. I think it's so important to sweat every day." And she certainly practices what she preaches. Even on days when she has to be on set early in the morning, she makes sure to get her daily dose of exercise. Donna's daily sweat routine is a mix of different activities that she enjoys. She's on the tennis court 5 times a week, enjoying 2-hour sessions. She finds tennis not just a great workout, but also a fun activity. Donna also has a mini gym at home where she works out with light weights and does a lot of stretching on her ballet bar. She believes in the importance of staying flexible and active to prevent muscle atrophy. On days when she can't make it to the tennis court or wants to mix things up, she turns to her Peloton bike. She absolutely loves it as it helps her explore the world while getting a good workout. In her own words, "I play tennis 5 times a week for 2 hours at a time. I am lucky enough to have a clay court, which is so much easier on your joints than cement. I also have a small gym in my home, so I work out with light weights, use my Peloton, do a lot of stretching on my ballet bar." Regular exercise becomes so much more crucial as we age. It can help boost energy, maintain your independence, and manage symptoms of illness or pain. Exercise can even reverse some of the symptoms of aging. And it's good for your mind, mood, and memory. If you want to incorporate this habit, begin with light exercises that you enjoy. It could be a short walk in the morning or evening. Gradually increase your walking time. If you're up for it, consider joining a local tennis club or investing in a stationary bike for home workouts. Next up, imagine having a personal guardian who looks after your health, ensuring you're in the best shape possible. For Donna Mills, that guardian is herself. She takes her health seriously and doesn't miss her regular health checkups. Donna believes that prevention is better than cure. She's often quoted saying, "Your body will just kind of atrophy if you don't keep using it." This shows her proactive approach towards maintaining her health. She ensures she gets regular checkups and follows her doctor's advice to the letter. Studies suggest that regular health checkups can help detect any potential health issues early. They're an important part of preventive health care, helping you stay healthier and increasing your chances of detecting any potential health issues early. Donna's regular health checkups help her stay on top of her health. It's easy to incorporate this habit. Just schedule regular health checkups and keep a track of your appointments, and don't forget to follow your doctor's advice. Moving on, Donna, like many of us, has faced her share of health challenges. Like we mentioned earlier, Donna faced arthritis very early in her life, proving that even Hollywood stars are not immune to life's challenges.
What the process was for you, learning that you had arthritis and the impact it had on your life. When did you find out?
About a year and a half ago, I guess it was. I play a lot of tennis, and I had a really sore arm, shoulder, elbow, hand, and I just thought it was, you know, being sore from playing too much tennis. So I'd lay off for a while, but it didn't go away.
This condition, often misunderstood, is like a persistent but uninvited guest that affects the joints, making everyday movements a bit more challenging. However, Donna's daily habits played a major role in her recovery and maintaining her health. Her green and clean eating habit ensures she gets the necessary nutrients to keep her body healthy. Her daily sweat routine helps her stay active and keep her joints flexible, which is crucial for managing arthritis. Her positive mindset helps her stay motivated and overcome the challenges she faces. Her social engagements keep her mentally stimulated and emotionally fulfilled. And lastly, her regular health checkups help her stay on top of her health and catch any potential health issues early. By incorporating these habits into your lives, you too can enjoy a life of timeless glow and vitality. So which of Donna's habits resonated with you the most? Are you ready to incorporate them into your own routine? Do you have any wellness habits of your own that you'd like to share? Let us know in the comments below, and if you found this video helpful, we think you'll love Jaclyn Smith's health tips.